So hi guys, we're going to go for a fossil dive today. We're actually on Manasota Key here in Florida, and it's going to be a beach dive, so stay tuned and we'll see what comes up. I hope you enjoy it, and hopefully we're going to find some fossils. Could be anything out there, but I'm hoping for some shark teeth, maybe horse teeth, or whatever it might be. So stay tuned and we'll come back with some more. Alright, how you doing? Good. So, here we are, ready for a fossil dive. Manasota Key. Everybody.
Here we go.
Here we go. Got plenty of air. Let's go out and try it out. Det var sgu sjovt.
Det er det. Der er sagt dem.
Fandme, nu skal vi da have en øl.
Hi, welcome back.
Thank you. Huh? I got it. Yeah. I got it. Maybe I will go.
Want to see it?
No,
You really want to see this?
I want to show me, baby.
You have that one on the...
Show it to me. Bingo, baby.
There you go. go.
$400 a tooth.
So that's it. So we done diving.
No, we gotta go more diving now.
Tristan,
Right in
show
front
it.
of me.
Show
Yeah.
it.
Well, we'll just live a couple
And it's
miles down
gonna
the
be
road.
nice when that's coming out because it's actually intact.
All right.
Mister,
Yes.
you did it.
He was,
Everybody goes swimming.
3 feet.
It's serrated too.
So it's pretty far
It's
out.
gonna be really nice when it's clean.
No, it was.
It was laying like this,
on the rock.
It was just laying there.
like that. He wanted to go back, and no, we gotta go back. And he was clicking. I knew exactly where we were, so I'm like, no, we gotta see the reef, you know. And we've seen all kinds of other fun stuff, and this was like the last 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show him, baby. You can touch it. Yeah, you can show it to them.
So cool. What do you think?
You want to see a piece of it could be mastodon, it could be whale, but here you go.
And how many?
This is a part of
how
the
many
leg.
years? Yeah.
That's the inside. He's got one as well. That's really big.
They're divers. Is that cool? Mommy can teach
This
you.
is definitely
I mean, I don't dive, but I could make it.
I think that's a ribbon.
yeah.
Not amazing.
Exactly.
It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All day long. Okay, good.
Well,
Big ones, but
it's cool, huh?
And it's completely in
Oh, it's
sharp.
gonna be beautiful.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be really beautiful. And look at all these. You found a lot more teeth than I did. Small
I'm
ones.
not sure. So that fish was very, very big. Huge.
Yeah, really. So you probably
Luckily, he's
calculate
not in
what,
the waters anymore.
2.5 per 10 to 12 feet. So how many feet? How many inches?
34 inches.
Yeah. So you're looking at
Yeah,
maybe
look at how
40
sharp it
some
is.
feet long.
And that tooth is
That'd be easy. We'll be able to stand in the mouth of it. Yeah, see here, this side.
He's really good at finding
Yeah?
them. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Say thanks, guys.
This is the whale bone, possibly from the ribs. Feel it, it's pretty heavy.
You want to hold this one? Look, it's almost
It's
your
like a
size.
Oh, well, I
It was
love
far
their
out.
Thank you.
It was very
Yeah.
far out.
You want to hold it?
Where we started swimming in,
Oh
that was
my
where we
god,
were.
show it to me. Oh my god, it's almost your size and my size.
In the back here.
That fish went to the dentist.
No, you gotta go get BG to get that.
You got sharks in your
Go back to him and say
head
thank you for
and right
showing us.
here.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're more than welcome. You just go out.
Baby, we did it.
Yeah. I can hear him scream.
Oh, you heard it? Right on the board? I missed.
Yeah.
That's beautiful though.
I was picking up shells and I was like, you didn't see that?
Hold it so I can do a video.
What?
Hold it right.
I will show that. This is
What? But a big one is this one right
It is
here.
a big one. Oh, so funny.
I will get there one day.
That is funny though. I'm like, it was laying like this, and I'm like, nah, that can't be. And I took it. Fuck, it is a big tooth.
Okay.
And next time, like we were talking about, what we'll do is we'll just swim out all the way out, and then we'll submerge. Then we use all the air out there.
Oh, that's cool. Swim.
Yeah, it is.
Just like,
So-
just do a nice tread water.
So, darling, can I leave this to you maybe, and you'll take care of it for a while?
I
go
will
up and
take
get
care of
dressed?
it. You didn't see my face.
Locked in today.
To find a tooth, a tooth.
And go to the dentist.
For this beach though, is there a feeling like,
This one.
yeah.
I don't know if it was a feeling thing, but it was kind of a hunting.
Probably, yeah. Oh, you get
So that was really, really cool. A big Megalodon tooth. I don't know how big it is, 4.5 maybe or something, but I'm looking forward to show you that later. So it's been really good here in Manasota. Dive buddy.
That was fantastic. It was really fantastic with even hearing him shout underneath the water. And no, it was very,
It was fun.
very happy.
It was a good day.
Finally, it was a very good day. Very good.
So now, being in Minnesota, it's a true paradise, as you can see. Right now, the log is actually smiling at us. We got the big Megalodon tooth, and also on top of that, we got very nice sunset. So I guess it's time for a little bit of dinner and enjoying it. I can highly recommend to go up here and do a beach dive. And it's actually really clear water as well. So I will have to say this has been a success, and I think people they should go up and try it out. I hope you enjoyed the video, because we did, and we also enjoyed the whole day there underneath water. Thousands of different fish, and it's actually really nice. They got stone crabs, all kinds of crabs, and other fossils as well, just as ribs from whales, and some other bones as well. I really don't know what it is at the moment, but I'll try to figure out what it is, and then I'll come back with that a little bit later. I'll show you here in the video.
That is the catch of the day. The crab was really cute, but I literally brought him.
Oh, good.
Put him there.
Yeah,
I
good.
said, "Come on with me." I'm like,
Did you have him in a leash?
no, he went on my thumbnail. He was that small.
Yeah.
And then,
Right after that, that cat can be right there. And then right after that, we see the,
really, don't they look like
Yeah.
diamond rose?
I didn't like that guy.
Well, now we're done with the diving up in Manasota Key, and got cleaned the tooth and so forth. So the tooth is now ready to be showed actually just in public. It's an absolute beautiful tooth, about 5 inches long. I haven't weighed it yet, but it's actually really neat, and it's right here. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the tooth that was found on about 25 feet of water, and looks extremely nice. I'm very happy with the find, and it's got all the threadings on the side and everything else. It's actually really beautiful. After I had it cleaned up and got out, it actually got more beautiful as well, I'll say, because initially it was actually filled up with barnacles and all kinds of stuff. So it is an absolute beauty. I'm very happy and proud of this found, and I'm hoping to go out and try another one. I wasn't expecting, it's missing a little bit here on the tooth itself, but other than that, it's absolutely beautiful. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I didn't have it completely covered when I found it on the bottom. However, it came out, it was laying like this on the bottom like that, and I could only see the last part. So it was kind of a surprise, a nice surprise as well. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. While you have time for it, you might as well like and subscribe, and I'll come up with some videos whenever I can. So hopefully see you very soon. Thanks.